AllMax Software is now celebrating our 25th year anniversary as the leader in the development of data management and reporting software designed for the operations of water, wastewater, and pretreatment industries. In conjunction with our CMMS maintenance software, our comprehensive suite of products has evolved since 1994 to continually provide the most cost-effective solutions. As you'll see throughout the video, in our 25th year, we have updated our logo and our program icons. Get equipment and asset tracking, work order management, meaningful reports, and more with Antero computerized maintenance management software. Reduce downtime caused by breakdowns and extend the life of your equipment with Antero. Operator10 Wastewater is designed to address the issues that are most important in managing plant operations data. Whether it's data from multiple sources, regulatory reporting requirements, or just knowing how your plant is performing, Operator10 can handle your operational needs. When you want to ensure consumer safety, Operator10 Water helps you track your water quality and quickly be able to see potential issues before they become problems. Save time on data entry, pull data from OPC DDE interfaces, run calculations, and generate regulatory reports, all while lowering your operational costs. With Synexus, track all the data for your industrial pretreatment program. Set up the industries that you monitor. Track sample results, limits, and surcharges, as well as a journal of all correspondence. Synexus allows you to produce S&C, limit, and surcharge reports and more for all your industrial users. The most important part of the software solutions that we provide is our team that stands behind our products. AllMax is committed to being there for our clients from selection through implementation. Choose the training that best meets your needs. We offer online training sessions and webinars. In addition, we offer on-site training at your location or in-house sessions at our headquarters in Kenton, Ohio. AllMax Software has a large network of dealers that we value as leaders in their industries. Detailed dealer information is on our website. You may also work directly with our account managers. Since 1994, all of our software is developed in-house with the intent to simplify how you enter, collect, distribute, and maintain your operational data and manage equipment. The team here at AllMax Software has been dedicated over the last 25 years to designing products with many features added as a result of client input. We value and appreciate our large family of AllMax Software users. For more information, reach out to us on social media or contact us directly.